Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking beauty salon Facebook post in Canva. So creating a beauty salon post in Canva is really easy. Even if you don't have any design or creative experience, you don't have to worry. Canva allows you to modify templates that have already been designed by professional and creative designers. You just need to choose a template, customize it, and your post will be ready. So go to Canva and search for a beauty salon Facebook post. We are creating a post for Facebook. That's why we're entering Facebook post. If you want to create one for Instagram, you can simply search for Instagram post. Now you can see Canva's templates. To view all the templates, click on it, See All. And now you can see templates ranging from minimal to professional-looking designs. You can modify whichever one you like and make it your own. For now, maybe I'll go with this one. This one is a pro template, but you can explore and find free versions that work for you. After exploring, choose whichever one you like and click on Customize this template. And now you can see that I have full access to modify whatever I want. As you can see, I can customize every element. Starting with the text, if you want to edit it, just click on it and double-click on it. If you want to add or remove any text, you can do so. These are the available features. If you want to customize your text, just click on the font option. If you want to change the font or resize it, go to the Resize option. And if you want to change the color of your text, you can do that as well. You can also make it bold or italic. You can try out these features yourself. These are basic tools, so you'll understand them easily. And after that, let's move on to the background image. If you want to replace this image with your own, you need to upload an image from your PC, and it will appear here. For example, I will choose a random image from Pinterest. I would just search for beauty salon, and I will choose one image. Maybe I'll go with this one and copy it. Then I'll just paste it here. And now you can see that my image has appeared here. I'll just drag and drop it like this, and then readjust its position. Just double-click on it, and you will be able to reposition your image like this. You can change the color like this, and you can change the hair and eyebrows like this. You can just add anything you like. You can modify your text, images, details, information, branding colors, everything you want to customize. When you are finished customizing, rename your file, go to Share, select Download, and download it in PNG or any other format if needed. Just download it, and your beauty salon Facebook post will be ready. It will be designed by you in just a few minutes. Thank you for watching.